Basic English. Practice your reading and listening with this story.
My weekend life. Weekends are the best part of my week. They're the days when I get to relax. Saturdays are particularly special to me because I can finally sleep in without the rush of an early alarm. I usually wake up around 9 a.m., which is late for me, considering my usual weekday routine. The first thing I do when I wake up is stretch in bed and take a moment to enjoy the quiet morning. Then, I head to the kitchen to make a big breakfast. I love starting my day with something delicious. My favorite breakfast is pancakes with syrup, scrambled eggs, and fresh fruit like strawberries or blueberries. Sometimes, I also make a smoothie with bananas, yogurt, and a bit of honey. I sit by the window while I eat, enjoying the peaceful start to my day.
Cuando termines la historia, revisa la descripción para que hagas el ejercicio de práctica completo con un corto quiz.
After breakfast, I take some time for myself. Sometimes, I read a chapter from the book I'm currently enjoying or catch up on a TV show I missed during the week. It's my little moment of solitude, where I can just relax and recharge. Around noon, I like to get outside and enjoy the day. There's a beautiful park near my house, and I usually go for a walk there. The weather is often nice on weekends, so I take my dog with me. His name is Max, and he's always excited to go on our weekend walks. Max and I walk around the park for about an hour. We follow the same path every time. It's a peaceful and calming experience. Sometimes, we sit on a bench, and I take in the view while Max lies down at my feet. It's one of my favorite parts of the weekend. In the afternoon, I usually meet up with friends. We have a small group that likes to hang out on weekends. We often go to a cozy cafe in town where they serve the best coffee and pastries. We sit there for hours, chatting about our week, sharing funny stories, and just enjoying each other's company. If the weather is nice, we sometimes take our coffee to go and walk around town or visit the local farmer's market. I love picking up fresh produce and flowers there. Sometimes, we plan something a bit more adventurous, like a trip to the beach or a hike in the nearby hills. The beach is about an hour away, so we pack some snacks and spend the afternoon by the sea. We swim, play beach volleyball, or just lie on the sand, listening to the waves. These outings always leave me feeling happy and refreshed. Sundays are different. They are more for family. I usually start the day with a light breakfast, like toast with avocado or a bowl of cereal. Then, I spend the morning with my family. We often cook a big lunch together, something special like homemade pasta or roasted chicken with vegetables. Everyone helps out. My mom prepares the ingredients, my dad handles the cooking, and I set the table. It's a time for us to bond and enjoy each other's company. After lunch, we sit around the table and talk. We share stories from the past week, discuss plans for the future, and sometimes play a board game. Sunday afternoons are perfect for unwinding. Sometimes, I take a nap or curl up on the couch with a blanket and watch a movie with my family. When the evening starts, I start preparing for the week ahead. I go through my planner, make a to-do list, and organize my things. I like to have everything ready, so Monday morning doesn't feel too chaotic. I usually end my weekend with a warm cup of tea and a good book before heading to bed. I make sure to get a good night's sleep, so I wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the new week. Weekends are my time to relax, enjoy, and recharge. They give me the energy I need to face the week ahead, and I always look forward to them.
Nos vemos en la próxima historia.